A very good morning to all my dear students. In previous video we have discussed about units of measurement, but today we will discuss about knowledge bank. Today we will get knowledge about mint. NASA means National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Okay, next photon, human brains and cumulus cloud. Okay, cumulus cloud. So let's see your book and get the different types of knowledge about this. Okay, yes, you can see students, our mouth feels cold. Our mouth feels cold when we put anything containing mint in our mouth, because mint has menthol. Okay, this is the plant of mint. Okay, plant of mint has menthol, so we feel cold. Okay, due to the menthol we feel cold. Menthol has an ability to chemically activate the cold sensitive. Okay, menthol has an ability to chemically activate the cold sensitive TRPM8 receptor on the tongue. Okay students, so this is about mint. Our mouth feels cold when we put anything containing mint in our mouth, because mint has menthol. Due to the menthol we feel cold. Okay students, now second is NASA. Okay, NASA means National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Its full name is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NASA experts believe that there are 100 billions to 400 billions stars in the Milky. They believe that there are 100 billion to 400 billions star in the Milky Way galaxy. Okay, a 2015 paper published that the number of trees around the world is much higher than 3.04 trillion. Okay students, let's see here. 2015 papers published that the number of trees around the world is much higher than 3.04 trillion. Okay, now next is photons are extremely, about photon, this one is photon. Okay, photons are extremely small particles. Photons are extremely small particles of light, which have no mass. There are billions of photons in a single light beams. Okay, when you provide a single light beam, in this beam you can see a billions of photons in a single light beam. A photons cannot decay on its own. Okay, its energy can be transferred upon interaction with other particles. Okay, its energy can be transferred upon interaction with other particles. So this is about photons. Okay, now next is the human brain. This one is human brain. Okay, this is the human brain. The human brain is protected by the skull. Okay, skull. Outermost layer is called skull. Skull is hard Skull is hard. The human brain is protected by the skull or cranium. Skull or cranium. Okay. It is made up of 22 bones. It is made up of 22 bones which are joined together. It holds and protects the brain. Okay, listen be carefully. The human brain is protected by the skull or cranium. Outermost layer is called cranium. It is made of 22 bones which are joined together. It hold and protect the brain. This one is the brain and this one is the cranium. Okay. Now next is most mirrors are made of glass with their back coated with a shiny metals called silvery. Okay, called silvery. Most mirrors are made of glass with their back coated with a shiny metals called silvery. This reflects back all the light that hits it at exactly the same angle. This reflects back all the light that it at exactly the same angle. Okay. Now next one is the average cumulus cloud. Okay, this one is cumulus cloud. This is the cumulus cloud. The average cumulus cloud can weigh up to a million pounds. Cumulus are floating clouds. Clouds, okay, that look like pieces of floating cotton. Okay, it is look like pieces of floating cotton. Okay, students. So these are all about. This is a knowledge bank. In knowledge bank, we get knowledge. We have get knowledge about mint, NASA, photons, human brains, most mirrors, and average cumulus cloud. Okay, students. In next video, we'll discuss about next topic. So thank you, very thank you.